beyond the meat processing plants, although the majority of cases are in the two poultry plants there. If you think of those plants, which together have about 3,000 employees as a cruise ship, what's happening in that community is every day a cruise ship with hundreds of COVID-19 patients disembarks into the community. And because of that, we're very concerned about community spread throughout the rest of the Eastern Shore. In addition, there's an outbreak in one of the nursing homes there. We have been working very diligently with our contact tracers, looking to try to contain the spread of disease there as best as we can. We've had the support of the CDC, and the question was what sorts of recommendations the CDC has made along with our own epidemiologists here in Virginia. And what we want to try to do is, as was outlined by the governor on Monday with the recommendations that businesses will be looking at, we want to try to increase as much as possible physical distancing within the plants, as well as social distancing within the plants. And recommendations all revolve around things like that. Plant management has been very cooperative in this, putting up separations like plexiglass between the workers, and when they can't be more than 6 feet apart, providing them with masks, altering and staggering break time so there's you decrease the opportunity for large groups of people getting together. We've talked with plant management about ensuring paid sick leave so that someone who is identified as having COVID-19 and needs to be isolated and quarantined can do so. The plants have arranged for hotel space for workers who need to be quarantined so that they can go without going back to their housing, which in many cases is densely populated, highly densely populated housing quarters, and so we don't want them to go back to that kind of situation. We've had, as I said, good cooperation. We believe that the Guard's presence this coming weekend on Friday and Saturday will really ratchet up our ability to help contain the spread there. If we are able to test we're looking at somewhere around 1,500, something like that, tests. It will really help us a lot, and that's a community-based testing. The companies are testing the employees. We're planning on testing the surrounding communities. So all of those steps are being taken to try to contain this in the Eastern Shore.